everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. It is the day of voting of 7th phase in West Bengal. You must know something about COVID-19 protocol. The more prepared you are, the more you reduce your risk of getting and spreading COVID-19. Voters have the right to vote regardless of whatever they are, sick or in a quarantine. Voters who are sick or in a quarantine should take a step to protect pool worker and others voter. This includes wearing masks, staying at least 6 feet away from others, and washing your hands or using a hand sanitizer before and after voting. You should also let pool workers know that you are sick or in a quarantine when you arrive the polling location. Check with local authorities for any additional guidance. Bring your own supplies. Use this checklist to remember things to bring with you when you go to vote. Necessary documentation such as your identity card, identification, check with your voting site, a mask, an extra mask, tissues, hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol, water, black ink pen. Bring prepared aids with you. Registration forms, sample booklets. Wear a mask. You should wear a mask consistently and correctly in public and around people who didn't live with you. If you must take your mask off, you should use hand sanitizer before and after. Have an extra mask in case your gets wet or dirty. A few people might not be able to wear a mask because of disability or condition. Protect yourself when using transport. Open windows if you can, wear a mask, avoid touching things if you can, and use hand sanitizer. If you do, stay 6 feet about 2 am lengths apart from others. If you can, clean your hands often. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol before entering and leaving your place of voting. With at least 60% alcohol before and after touching items that many others may have touched, such as door handles. Do not wipe down voting equipment unless you are told to do so. Keep your distance from others. Stay at least 6 feet, about 2 arms length from other people as much as you can. Stay apart even if you are wearing masks. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care @RKM Group in toll-free number. You can call 1-800-258-7060. Santodia, according to Vikas Prasad, regarding the 7th phase of pooling, a huge blockade was observed on the Subhas Setu built in Disargarh on the Damodar River connecting West Bardhaman to Purulia district. It is to be noted that elections are to be held on Monday in this consequently under West Bardhaman. Regarding this, a through investigation was carried out by the police at Disargarh Subhas Setu checkpost. A special watch was taken on vehicle entering West Bardhaman district from Purulia district.
घाट पे पश्चिम बर्दवान में एंट्री होने वाली हर एक गाड़ी की जांच हो रही है।
In mental stress, married woman committed suicide by hanging. Asansol Sujata Gorai, 21 years, daughter of Gurachandra Gorai, a resident of Samdi under Salanpur police station, was hanged on Saturday night due to mental stress. Relative removed him from the globe and thought him to the local health center, where doctor declared him dead. According to the sources, Sujata Gorai was married to Pardeep Gorai of Kearabad in Barabani 3 years ago. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. In Raniganj country, the wave of corona seems to be getting out of the control. The death toll is rising day by day. Oxygen deficiency is also being observed in the midst of the corona epidemic. In many states, people are dying to the starvation due to lack of oxygen. The Prime Minister of the country has also held a high-level meeting regarding this. Although it is not possible to say how long it will take to get rid of it, there is also a lack of oxygen in Raniganj, Loyalchan. If your name is in your voter list but you do not have the illustrated voter ID card, EPIC, or area not are not getting it, or it is missing somehow, don't worry. You can vote even without EPIC. 11 alternative documents have been recognized by the Election Commission. You can go to the polling station and cast your vote. However, DM Anurag Srivastava said that EPIC of 100% voters has been made in West Bardhaman district. During the election taking place in West Bengal, this time the Commission has ordered a file FIR against 13 candidates for violating the COVID-19 protocol. At the same time, so-cause notice have been issued to the 33 leaders. The FIR has been logged after receiving the preliminary report. In addition, the 33 leaders against whom to show cause notice has been issued are also accused of not following the protocol of prevention the epidemic. Zakira Khan, a social worker had businessman from Asansol, died on Saturday night while undergoing treatment. He had been unwell for the past few days. Zakira Khan was a member of Asansol Chamber of Commerce. He had also been a advocate of Asansol Court. People of different action of Silpanchal mourned his demise. Election worker Asima Mukherjee, who was on election duty at DCRC Center, died due to illness. Asima Mukherjee felt unwell at the TCRC Center. According to the administrative sources, he was rushed to Asansol District Hospital, where doctor pronounced him dead. It is learned that Ashima Mukherjee, a teacher of Rupnarayanpur Primary School, was 45 years old. The DCRC of Asansol Engineering College had reached the center on Sunday morning to contribute to the polling worker. Polling officers DCRC Center protested against the non-deposit of money in their bank accounts as promised. While at the time of submission after filling the form, it was said that the money will be deposited on the time. But on the Sunday, the first polling officers who arrived at Durgapur Private Law College to collect the voting duty schedule at the DCRC Center were annoyed by the non-deposit of money in the bank. Drivers carrying oxygen have leveled serious allegation that despite being a medical emergency service, toll plaza and police allow vehicle to stop for hours to meet the growing oxygen shortage in the country. Two trains of oxygen from Asansol Baranpur steel plant left the Assam GMC hospital today. The two drivers carrying oxygen made serious allegations against the toll plaza and Bengal police, saying that their vehicles were driven by the Bengalis. The police and the police of toll plaza are harassing them for hours by stopping those vehicles for some reason, due to which, if the trains should reach at 3 days, then it is taking 6 days for the trains to reach. It is to be noted that Delhi High Court was warned one who will obstruct oxygen vehicle will be hanged. Prakash Chandra Barnawal, a social worker and businessman of Silpanchal and a resident of Asansol, passed away at his residence on Sunday morning. He had been ill for the past few days. He was also an active member of Astha, businessman, social worker and poet. In the Asansol, he was famous in the field of watch business. His demise was mourned by the businessmen of Silpanchal. People of various social organizations all prayed to the God for peace of their soul. Of DCRC site for assembly election in the West Bardhaman district, from where 14,095 polling person left from 3,064 booths where PN and VVPAT were distributed. Against Asansol Engineering College, Asansol North 281, Kulti 282 and Barabani 283, Usagram High School Jamuria 279, Asansol South 280, Kandra High School, Raniganj 278, Durgapur Social and Educational Trust, Durgapur East 276, Durgapur West 277, Pan Sujali School, High School Pandeswar 275. Another candidate has died in West Bengal from the COVID-19 pandemic. Kajal Sinha, the Trinamool Congress candidate from Khadarda, assembly seat in North Chobis Pargana, adjacent to the capital, Kolkata, has died on Sunday. He was kept on the ventilator for the last 3 days at Belighata ID Hospital in Kolkata, where he heard his last on Sunday. Voting took place in Khadra Assembly consequently on April 22, the day of the sixth phase of polling. Sole PM on Union Minister Babul Supriyo. Babul Supriyo has again fallen victim to corona. Babul Supriyo has given information by tweeting his wife Roshna Supriyo is also infected. He tweeted that both me and my wife are positive. I was infected a second time by corona. I feel bad that I will not be able to vote in Asansol. The Mosque Committee of Chatmanda Bilal Masjid in Raghunathpur town holy months of Ramzan of the Muslim of Purulia district in view of the holy months of Ramzan of the Muslims committee in view of the second wave of corona following the government guidelines prohibits entry into the mosque without a mask has decided to Masjid committee members Sheikh Safi Alam and Hanif Sheikh said that entry without a mask is not only prohibited and also restricted.
আমাদের এই রঘুনাথপুর বেলাল মসজিদ যবে থেকেই করোনা পরিস্থিতি আবার নতুন করে দ্বিতীয় ধাপে যে শুরু হয়েছে তারপর থেকে আমাদের মসজিদ কমিটির সিদ্ধান্ত যে আমরা বিনা বাক্সে কাউকে মসজিদে প্রবেশ করতে দিব না। এক কথায় বিনা বাক্সে আমরা নামাজ পড়তে দিব না। তার সাথে সাথে আমাদের মসজিদ কমিটি থেকে গাইডলাইন যেটা করা হয়েছে দূরত্ব বজায় রেখেই নামাজ পড়তে হবে এবং পার্শ্ববর্তী মসজিদের পার্শ্ববর্তী এলাকায় যারা লোক থাকবে তারাই শুধু একমাত্র মসজিদে নামাজ পড়তে পারে। বাইরের লোকের জন্য কিন্তু বারবার বলা হচ্ছে তারা নিজের নিজের ঘরেই নামাজ পড়ুন, তাদের দূর থেকে আসার প্রয়োজন নেই, অযথা বিনা কারণে ঘর থেকে বেরোবার দরকার নেই। এখন রমজান মাস বোঝা যাচ্ছে, রমজান মাসে আমাদের একটা বিশেষ ইবাদতের একটা এই মাসে আমরা আল্লাহর কাছে প্রার্থনা করছি, দোয়া করছি যাতে গোটা বিশ্ব থেকে এই করোনা পরিস্থিতি যেমন দূর হয়ে যায়, একবারে পরিষ্কার হয়ে যায়, এইটুকু আমরা দোয়া করছি। তো অবশ্যই প্রত্যেকটা আমাদের দেশবাসীকে বলবো যে আপনারা সরকারের গাইডলাইন মেনেই চলুন এবং যে করোনা পরিস্থিতি বিশেষ করে মাস্ক কিন্তু অবশ্যই করুন। অনেকেই মাস্ক পরছেন নাকের নিচে, থুতলিতে, কেউ মাথার উপর, এইভাবে মাস্ক পরবেন না। যেটুকু পরিশ্রম করছেন সম্পূর্ণভাবে করুন, সম্পূর্ণ আমি যেভাবে মাস্ক লাগিয়েছি সেইভাবে আপনারা মাস্ক লাগান। পুলিশ বা কোনো কাউকে দেখে ভয়ে মাস্ক পরা গল্প নয়, মাস্ক পরতে হবে করোনা থেকে বাঁচার জন্য এবং নিজের পরিবারকে সুরক্ষা রাখার জন্য। এটুকু বলছিলাম। আমি একজন এই বেলাল মসজিদের সদস্য হানিফ।
Let's go and have a look on Asmus from News Movement. Social distancing. Social distance is important because coronavirus is spread when an infected person cough small droplets packed with the virus into the air. These can be breathing or can be cause an infection if you touch a surface they have landed on and then touch your face with unwashed hand. Wash your hand.